ClawdBot is absolutely insane. This thing runs on your computer and controls everything. It answers WhatsApp messages, builds websites, fixes bugs, and sends you morning briefings all by itself, no cloud required. This is wild. Today we're talking about ClawdBot, and this thing is absolutely insane. So what is ClawdBot? It's an open source AI assistant that runs on your computer, not in the cloud, on your machine. And it connects to WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, all of it. But here's where it gets crazy. It doesn't just chat, it actually does things like real tasks, browser control, automation, building tools, sending alerts. It's like having a 24/7 employee who never sleeps. Most AI assistants just sit there and answer questions. You ask, they respond. That's it. ClawdBot is different. It has persistent memory. It remembers everything you've talked about. It can push notifications to you without you asking, like morning briefings or alerts when something needs your attention. And it has full access to your system. It can control browsers, run code, create files, schedule tasks, and build custom tools called skills. And here's the insane part. It can build those skills itself. You can literally say, build me a tool that finds cheap flights, and it will create it from scratch. Let me show you some real examples. One user said ClawdBot handles their insurance claims. Another built a custom meditation generator. Someone else automated their entire email workflow. These are real people in the community saying, this feels like AGI and it's running my company. That's the kind of feedback this thing is getting. So how does it work? You install it with one command, npm install. That's it. Then you run the onboarding wizard. It asks which AI model you want. I recommend Claude from Anthropic. Then you connect your chat apps and you're done. The whole setup takes like 5 minutes. Now, once it's running, you can message it from anywhere. You're on your phone, you text it on WhatsApp. Hey, write a landing page for AI Profit Boardroom that converts visitors into members, and it does it right there. Or you say, check if our website is down and fix it if it is, and it will because it has browser control. Let me give you another example. Let's say you want to automate content for AI Profit Boardroom. You could tell ClawdBot every morning at 8 a.m., find trending AI tools and draft a post about how they help businesses automate tasks. And it will do that every single day without you asking again, because it has cron jobs built in. You set it once, it runs forever. And speaking of automation, if you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like CloudBot, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's our premium community where we teach you exactly how to use AI to get more leads and more customers. We've got full training on automation tools, AI agents, and systems that actually work. Link is in the description. The latest version just dropped. Version 2026.1.20, released January 20th. Better mobile support for iOS and Android. So you can run nodes on your phone, like you can literally have ClawdBot on your iPhone taking photos or checking apps. They also improved the Anthropic. People in the community are saying it's the most reliable version yet. Now let's talk about skills. This is where ClawdBot gets really powerful. Skills are like custom tools that extend what it can do, and ClawdBot can build them itself. You just describe what you want, build a skill that scrapes competitor prices, and sends me a daily report. And it writes the code, tests it, installs it, and boom, you have a new tool. One user built a skill that generates YouTube thumbnails automatically. Another made one that tracks SEO rankings and alerts them when something drops. Now you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. It's not. The setup is super simple. You run one command in your terminal. The wizard walks you through everything. Even non-technical people are setting this up. There's a whole Reddit thread of people with zero coding experience running ClawdBot, because once it's set up, you just chat with it like a normal person. You don't need to write code. You just talk to it and it figures out the rest. Now let's talk about security. This thing has full access to your system. That's powerful, but it could be dangerous if someone else gets access. That's why ClawdBot has DM pairing. When you first set it up, it sends you a pairing code. You enter that code in your chat app, and now only you can control it. Nobody else can send it commands. Super secure. And if you ever want to check your security, you can run ClawdBot Doctor. It scans everything and tells you if anything looks wrong. Here's something really cool. You can access ClawdBot remotely. Let's say you set it up on your home computer, but you're traveling. You can use Tailscale to connect to it from anywhere in the world. So you're in another country, you need to run a task, you just message it, and it runs on your home computer. Or if you want even more isolation, you can run it in Docker. The flexibility here is insane. Let me show you some real-world examples. One guy said ClawdBot is his 24/7 employee. It handles his customer support on WhatsApp, books meetings, sends follow-ups, all automatically. Another person uses it to generate video scripts. They give it a topic, it researches it, writes the script, and sends it back in like 2 minutes. Someone else built a skill that monitors their Shopify store. If inventory drops below a certain level, ClawdBot orders more automatically. These are real businesses being run with this thing. And honestly, I get it because this isn't just a chatbot, it's a full AI agent. It can think, plan, execute, and follow up all by itself. Now, let's talk about use cases for AI Profit Boardroom specifically. Imagine this: you set up ClawdBot to monitor AI news every day. It finds the top 5 trending tools, it writes a summary of each one, it explains how they help businesses automate tasks, and it posts it in your community every single morning without you touching anything. Or let's say you want to onboard new members. ClawdBot sends them a welcome message on Telegram, asks what they want to learn, sends them the right resources based on their answer, follows up a week later to see if they have questions, all automated. Here's why this matters for the future of AI and SEO. Right now, most people use AI to write content or answer questions, but it's not scalable. You still have to prompt it every time. ClawdBot changes that because it can run tasks on a schedule, it can monitor things in the background, it can push information to you when you need it, not when you remember to ask. That's the difference between a tool and an agent. A tool waits for you, an agent works for you, and ClawdBot is an agent, a really good one. Now, if you're worried about cost, don't be. ClawdBot is open source, completely free. The only cost is the AI model you use. So if you use Claude, you pay Anthropic's API fees, but those are super cheap. We're talking pennies per task. And if you want to go even cheaper, you can use a local model, run it entirely on your computer, zero ongoing costs. Before we wrap up, let me tell you where to find everything. The official website is claude.bot. The GitHub repo is github.com, Claudebot. There's also a full tutorial on Dev2. Just search Getting Started with ClawdBot. And there's a YouTube video called ClawdBot Building a 24/7 Employee. Plus, there's a Discord community where people share skills and a Reddit community where people post their wins. All right, so here's what I want you to do. Go install ClawdBot, set it up with Claude, connect it to WhatsApp or Telegram, and give it one task, just one. Something simple like send me a morning briefing with AI news and see what happens. I bet you'll be hooked. And if you want to learn how to use AI tools like ClawdBot to automate your entire business and get more leads and customers, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We teach you exactly how to set up AI systems that work for you while you sleep. Link is in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. All right, that's it for today. ClawdBot is absolutely insane. Go try it and comment below what skill you're going to build first. I'll see you in the next one.